And so, good morning, my students having a pre-calculus subject. So, ito, yung presentation natin is in relation doon sa parabola na na-discuss natin or di-discuss ko sa inyo. And syempre, before tayo mag-proceed sa graphing, is that alam natin kung anong graph ba yung given na standard equation. Dahil may mga given na kung saan ang graph natin is pwedeng left, right, upward, or downward. Then, ano yung mga cases na mga pagsabi kung anong position ng graph natin sa ating Cartesian plane. So, parabola and its graphs. So, what's in a parabola? So, parabola is the set of all points, i-discuss ko din yan, or nasabi na natin yan sa lesson natin, in a plane such that each point in the set is equidistant from the line called directrix, itong nasa baba, and the fixed point called the focus. Ito. Yan ang ating parabola. Since nanonotice nyo, wala pa naman dyan Cartesian plane, kaya wala pa kayong nakikita ang mga vertex, latus rectum, pati na rin yung axis of symmetry natin. Yan. Next is, so why is the focus so important? Since, di ba, yung pinag-usapan natin, importante siya, halimbawa dito sa satellite is, lahat ng signal is nata-transmit doon sa focus para ma-distribute ng maayos ang frequency. For example, sa mga cellular phones, radio, mga signals, ayan. Kaya yun, focus natin is important. So, parabola with a vertex of 0 and 0. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang ating parabola is located, ang vertex niya sa ating origin. The standard form of a parabola that opens to the right, and meaning sa kanan, the side ng ating Cartesian plane, nakikita nyo naman dito sa my figure, and has a vertex at origin or 0, 0 is y squared is equal to 4px. Ibig sabihin, pa-right ang ating graph, or ang parabola natin is opens to the right, kapag ang equation niya is y squared minus 4px. Yeah. So, the parabola that opens to the right and has a vertex at 0 and 0 or origin has the following characteristics. So, tandaan ko mga characteristic na to. P is the distance from the vertex of the parabola to the focus or directrix. This makes the coordinates of the focus P and 0. Yung P na yan is yung mga points sa ating Cartesian plane. So, this makes the equation of the directrix x equal to negative P. Sabihin ng ating directrix is negative P. Negative siya ng point. This and the axis of symmetry, the makes of axis of symmetry, the x-axis is y is equal to 0. Ayan. So, pag anuhin natin yan, magbibigay tayo ng example kung paano natin i-graph yan. So, tandaan itong mga characteristics na to kapag to the right ang ating parabola. Next is, standard form of parabola that opens to the left has a vertex at the origin pa rin is y squared is equal to negative 4px. So, nakita nyo kanina, kapag to the right ang graph, positive 4px. Pag to the left naman is negative 4px ang ating graph or ang ating given equation or the standard form. So, ayan, may example dyan. May given example. Ayan, y squared plus 4x is equal to 0. So, y squared is equal to, ayan, y squared is equal to 4 plus negative 1x kasi transfer natin siya. Vertex is 0 and 0. Focus is negative 1 and 0. So, saan galing yung negative 1? Since iisip tayo ng number na pag pinultiply natin sa 4 is magiging negative 4. So, negative 1 yung P na yun, yung point na yun. So, negative 1 ang ating focus and 0. Focus is negative 1 and 0. Ayan, yung color blue na yan. Ito yung ating focus. And ang directrix natin is positive 1. Kabaliktaran siya ng ating focus na negative 1. Tandaan, di ba yung directrix natin is hindi mag-intersect or hindi siya tatama sa graph natin. At equal ang distant ng focus to the vertex and the directrix. Yan, the parabola that may characteristic ng ating kapag to the left, ang characteristic niya is the coordinates of focus is p, negative p and 0. The directrix is x is equal to p. The axis of symmetry, the x-axis mismo is y is equal to 0. Yan, axis of symmetry. Kasi nasa may origin lang naman tayo. Ayan. Ito yung axis of symmetry. Yan yung linya na yun. Hindi na kailangan mag-drawing ng line pa ulit. Dahil na nasa origin pa lang naman ng ating axis of symmetry. Next. So, wala tayong problema sa to the right at to the left. Ngayon is, ayan, open, upward. Upward, the standard form of equation that opens up or upward has a vertex at the origin pa rin is, ayan, x squared is equal to 4py. So, kanina na-notice nyo kapag opens to the left and to the right, y squared ang meron tayo. Ngayon naman, kapag to the, pag ang ating parabola is upward o downward, x squared na ang ano sa atin at magiging y na ang variable dito. Ayan. So, x squared is equal to 4py. So, ito yung graph ng standard form na yan. Ganyan. Isa sa mga example yan. So, tingnan natin characteristic niya. P is the distance from the vertex of the parabola to the focus or directrix. Ang coordinates ng focus is 0 and P. So, may binigay ako doon sa inyo sa discussion natin noong nakaraan or pwedeng madidiscuss ko pa lang sa inyo yung coordinates ng focus kapag to the pag-upward ang ating graph ng parabola. Coordinate and focus is 0 and P. Equation of directrix, y is equal to negative P. The axis of symmetry is the y-axis, yung patayo mismo. Dahil nga, nasa origin pa lang tayo. Next is, ayan, open downward or down. Ang ating equation or standard equation or form is x squared is equal to negative 4py. Negative 4py na ang ating graph. Nag-iba na, negative 4 na. Ang kanyang characteristic kapag downward or to down or pa-down ng ating ang parabola is the coordinates of focus is 0 and negative p. The directrix is y is equal to p. And the axis of symmetry is the y-axis. Okay. So, yun yung mga graph na given kapag ang ating vertex is located sa origin. Paano naman kapag ang location niya is h and k or any points in our Cartesian plane? Ayan. So, medyo complicated na. Marami nang given na points. So, the standard form of parabola that opens to the right and has a vertex at h and k. So, i-classify ninyo ha. Ihiwalay niyo yung centered at the iwalay niyo yung parabola pag ang vertex is sa origin at iwalay niyo rin naman ang parabola kapag ang kanyang vertex is h and k kasi magkaibang equation yon. So ayan, tandaan yan. The open close parenthesis, the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to 4p multiplied 2x minus h. So meron pa rin tayong 4p dyan. So ganito ang itsura ng graph niya. So, na-notice nyo, hindi na siya dito sa origin kasi any points na siya sa Cartesian plane. Isa yan sa mga example. Ayan. Yung characteristic naman ng parabola kapag to the right at ang vertex is h and k is, ayan, the focus is h plus p and k. Meaning the value of h is i-add nyo sa value ng p para makuha nyo yung coordinates and k. Ayan. The equation of directrix is x is equal to h minus p. Sabihin, ma-minus nyo yung value ng h sa value ng p para makuha nyo yung directrix at makapag-draw kayo ng line. Next is the axis of symmetry is equal to y is equal to negative b over 2a. May value yan. Lalagyan nyo ng value yan. Ano bang value ng b dyan at ng a dito para mahanap nyo yung axis of symmetry natin. Next, Ayan, kapag to the left naman, ang ating parabola at ang vertex is h and k, the equation is y minus k squared is equal to negative 4p times x minus h. So, the quantity of x minus h. Ayan, to the left na ang ating graph ng ating parabola. Ang characteristic niya is the coordinates of the focus is h minus p and k. The directrix or the equation of directrix is x is equal to h plus p at ang kanyang axis of symmetry is equal to negative b over 2a. So kanina is negative b over 2a din. Parang lang din pala. Ayan, to the left. Next, ayan, ang parabola that opens up, ang equation natin is x minus h. So nagkapalit na. Kanina is y minus k squared. Ngayon, kapag up and down naman is mauuna sa x minus h squared is equal to 4p times y minus k, in which the characteristic is the focus is h, then k plus p. Yan, tandaan yan. The equation of directrix is equal to y equals k minus p. And the axis of symmetry is equal to x equals negative b over 2a. Ganyan. Kapag opens downward or that opens down ang ating graph, ang kanyang equation is x minus h squared equals negative 40 and the quantity of y minus k. And characteristic niya, dapat tandaan, kapag ang coordinates, kapag downward at h and k ang vertex, ang coordinates ng focus is h, then k minus p. The equation of directrix is y is equal to k plus p. And the axis of symmetry is x is equal to negative b over 2a. Ayan. So mas marami kayong tatandaan kapag ang coordinates ng ating mga focus directrix is sa may h and k na. Kasi 'di ba, mas marami kayong mga points na involved doon dahil hindi na sa origin ang location ng inyong parabola. Kumpara doon sa may origin lang ang vertex is may mga tatandaan pa rin mga terms pero hindi ganun kadami tulad ng centered sa or ang vertex is nasa h and k. Ayan, so what to do? So make your own guide of the formula for you to be guided on how to graph the parabola. So anong ibig sabihin ko dito? Pwede kayo magsulat sa notebook or sa index card. Gawa kayo ng table. Ayan. For example, table. So classify. Halimbawa, sa first table nyo, ang sa taas is vertex. Kapag ang vertex is origin, 0 and 0. Tapos ilalagay nyo yung equation. Anong equation kapag anong coordinates ng focus? Anong coordinates ng tawag dito? Directrix. Anong equation ng involved? Tapos, ano naman yung axis of symmetry? Ayan, para madali nyo matandaan. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin as reviewer ninyo. Halimbawa, may gagawin tayo. Or kapag nag-ano kayo, nag-graph na, hindi na kayo mag-browse sa may notebook nyo kung ano yung mga equation involved. Kasi meron na kayong sariling kopya na pagbabasihan. Ang iba-browse nyo na lang is for mga example para guided pa rin kayo. Pwede rin kayo maglagay doon ng mga example. Halimbawa sa discussion natin, may sa example lang kayong ilalagay para guided pa rin kayo kahit papano. And last is, yan. So, see you next meeting. Prepare for a quiz about the parabola. At tandaan, lalong-lalo na, yung mga formula at pati na rin yung definition ng ating parabola. Kasi ibibigay ko yun sa quiz natin next live session. So, make sure na mag-review kayo. So, next week pa yung quiz naman na yun. Review yung parabola, pati yung equation. At syempre, yun lang. Maraming salamat. So, see you on our next live session. Prepare for the quiz. At good luck.